At a meeting held on the 24th of January 2023, the Meghalaya TMC had released the party manifesto for the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections in February this year. Some of the main features of the manifesto include the empowering of women and the youth, good governance, welfare of farmers, social security for all citizens of the state, holistic health care, quality education besides major issues like the implementation of the Holistic Village Administration Bill in consultation with the ADCs and traditional headmen to uphold and protect the traditional institutions to be introduced, the effective and immediate implementation of the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA 2016 across the state to ensure a comprehensive registry of all tenants, to revoke the border Memorandum of Understanding signed with the Government of Assam and police checkposts to be set up at all strategic border areas, and the setting up of an expert committee to study and resolve the demand for the implementation of the inner line permit in the state.
The state has been robbed of its momentum of growth and development. The overall momentum of growth and development that the state has witnessed in the preceding years prior to the formation of this government has been completely dislocated. The name and fame of the state of Meghalaya has been completely defaced. I am very pained. It's very painful to see the state which we have all built together, to see the state becoming a victim of the greed of the people who are in the handbook affairs of governance. It's time, therefore, to rescue our state, our people, free our people and the state from this present dispensation. That's the reason why we are making this clarion call to all the people who belong to other political parties to look at the reality, and having understood the reality and their true colors, time to disassociate themselves from those parties and be part of this great family.
We are leaving no stone unturned and fighting the election with all our might available at our disposal. Number two, the question you asked that Shillong has been labeled as an outsider party. You see Mukul Sangma, Charles Pingrove, are they outsiders? I say this on record in front of camera, making a proper eye contact with you, that Meghalaya will be ruled by Meghalayans. Don't steal your side, sir. Meghalayans will be ruled by Meghalayans. Will BJP have the guts to come in Bengal and say Bengal will be ruled by Bengal? Will BJP have the guts to come to Bengal and say, will BJP have the guts, any national leader for BJP for that matter will have the guts to come to Meghalaya and say, Meghalaya will not be ruled from the ivory towers of Delhi or Guwahati. Meghalaya will be ruled from Garo, Khasi and Jaintia.